Here's my trick for cutting up a pepper so that you don't end up with the seeds all over the board. Usually you're just trying to dice it or slice it, cut it up into sticks. We just want what we'll call the fillet off the side of the pepper. Just stand it up like this, and let's go right down the sides, right? Here we go. We can see on the inside where the seeds are. So we can see just to go right down the side, and another fillet down the side. And we're not going to use this top, of course, but we have all of our pieces. And if we really don't want to waste, we can just slice this bottom part off. This can go in the compost. Bye. And we have all of our beautiful pieces of pepper.